Okay.
All right, I have this bolt right here that broke off for the thermostat that goes into the head. I bought this at AutoZone. It's a universal stud extractor. I'm gonna try this out and hopefully this works. I've been spending like hours trying to spray blaster on there, and then I used vice grips and I cannot get this off. So I saw this, it's $20. I hope I didn't waste my money. So I'm gonna open this up and try it out. All right, so right here, you can turn to adjust it. So I'm gonna put this over the bolt. I really hope this works. I'm assuming that whenever I'm turning it, it's gonna tighten it to release it. Feels like it's already got like a good grip right there.
Is it you?
No.
I'm out of here.
All right, so it should have a good grip on there. And it feels like it's tightening every single time I do this. I just need this to loosen.
I'm scared.
You want me to hold it?
I got it.
Come on. Looks like it's actually working. I really didn't think this was gonna work because it's actually turning. Man, I've been spending hours working on this. But the only thing is this will only work if you're got the part of the bolt, the stud sticking out. And how long is this bolt? All right, so the good news is it actually works right there. So this is a product review. This was at AutoZone, $20, and it actually worked. So anyways, hopefully that helps for somebody that's having the same issue with a broken bolt.